Carmen with DeMaria Duo, and what I have here is the Aiper Scuba SE. This is an in-ground or above-ground pool vacuum that is designed for flat-bottom pools. It can cover up to 860 square feet. It will run for about 90 minutes, and the cool thing about this thing is when it starts to get low on battery, instead of just dying in the middle of your pool, it will seek out an edge. So it will go to an edge and it will park itself. So that way, with the provided hook, you can attach to your pole and you can pull it out. So I've already charged this. We've used this once to test it out, so we know it works, and we're gonna show you how it works. Comes with its special charger by itself that you use. And let's see if we can get it out of the box. So just a quick reminder, it does have a information here on the front to letting you know that all devices are tested before that they're sent to us to ensure that they are working properly. So if you pull it out and you notice some water in it, that's okay. If there's some water droplets in the packaging, that's okay, that's normal. So don't freak out. It also comes with the directions as well. Underneath here is where you're gonna find the charging port as well as the button. It is recommended that when you plug this in to charge it, you plug it in and then you flip it upside down this way, so that way you don't have to have any damage to it. This is really easy to use. We're gonna get in the pool. We are closing the pool right now, so there is very little water in, so I'm hoping that it'll still work. But we're gonna go ahead and put this in the pool and show you how it works. So come on. Okay, so as I said before, to activate it, we're just gonna push the bottom on the button. It needs to be fully submerged in water, so it is gonna be on a slant. We'll see if it can handle the slant. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna just push the button. It beeps to indicate that it's on. And we're just gonna go ahead and put it in the water. And there it goes. So our Scuba SE, it's on its way. It will just go ahead and continue running. As you can see, it hit that little lip there and it pivot. It is backing up now. So it will just go ahead and continue. So look, even though it says flat bottom, there is a slant of this pool and it climbed it with no problem whatsoever. We're getting to the top there. And since there's not a lot of water in the pool, it's having a hard time getting itself up. So we're just gonna go ahead and push it back down into the water. So just let it run. So as I said before, the Aiper SE Scuba will continue to run until it's out of battery, which is about 90 minutes. And when it dies, it will find the edge. And once it finds an edge, it will park there, so that way you can use the handle that it comes with to retrieve it out of the pool. So if you're looking to cut down on your vacuuming time and you like having a cordless option, check out this Aiper vacuum. And as I said before, it is for flat bottoms, but it seems to climb our slope with no problems. So we're enjoying it, finishing up cleaning the pool, and I know you will too. One other thing I wanted to point out about the Aiper vacuum is that there's these two clips on the side. You open those, and this reveals where the motor is itself. And down below, you can see this is where all of the debris is going to be collected. This comes out, and you can clean this, and you can see just in that little bit, we already got some dead bugs in there. So easily cleans. You rinse this out with your hose. You can already see we got a good amount of debris. Pop this right back in. And it doesn't matter which way you put the top on. It will work either way. And there you go, you're good to go.